He was a strong and friendly fella with the name of Campanella. He was someone special, I could see right off the bat. There was something...
Webcasting from the Little Bell Publishing Studios in Rockton, Illinois, this is the Mortgage Messenger with host Jim Campanella. Today's podcast will discuss a law that hasn't received much press yet. However, it affects every loan officer in the United States. This law mandates federal monitoring of all loan officers and sets up certain requirements and standards for them to work within the industry. Known as the SAFE Act, the Secure and Fair Enforcement for Mortgage Licensing Act of 2008 was signed into law by President Bush. So whether your loan officer works for a bank, a credit union, a mortgage banker, or a mortgage broker, they will need to be registered through the Nationwide Mortgage Licensing System, or NMLS. In addition, loan officers that do not work for a bank or credit union need a criminal background check, a credit report, they need to take 20 hours of continuing education, pass a national test, pass a state test for every state they conduct business, and take 8 hours of continuing education annually. So whether you live in Chicago, Good News Bay, Alaska, Dallas, Texas, Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky, Los Angeles, Two Egg, Florida, New York City, or Rough and Ready, California, or anywhere in between, soon your loan officers will need to meet these requirements. So bottom line, what does this mean to you? Well, since the housing market collapsed, the lending industry, and loan officers specifically, have received a lot of bad press. Some of it legit, some of it not. Since 2008, 40% of all loan officers have left the industry. My research indicates there's 327,800 loan officers left, working at banks, credit unions, mortgage bankers, and brokers, all of which will have to comply with the new law and at a minimum register on the NMLS. 50% of all loan officers on the first time fail the national test. So this law will raise the professionalism of the industry. Hopefully, one day in the very near future, you'll feel very confident that your loan officer is a qualified professional helping you achieve the American dream. This law, in part, was designed to protect you and to provide you with more information about who is assisting you in obtaining your loan. You can access NMLS at www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org, where you can search a company or individual loan officer. You will be able to view information such as their employment history, the states of which they are licensed to do business in, who employs them and their branch location, and in time, you'll even be able to determine whether or not they've ever been disciplined. Now keep in mind, many states are still transitioning to this system, so the information at this site may not be completely accurate yet. For additional information about the SAFE Act, please visit my website at www.mortgagemessenger.net, where you can download some extra material. Should you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at mortgagemessenger@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this podcast, and please don't forget to subscribe to us at iTunes or our website, www.mortgagemessenger.net.
Forget you, Campanella. You're still the MVP within my heart. You're still the MVP within my heart.